guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. My name is Sonia and this is home reno update number 3, and I'm pretty sure this will probably be the last update before the kitchen is installed. So I wanted to show you how far we've gotten, what we've done so far. So I'm going to turn the camera around and start showing you. So as you can see, my floors are almost done. There are still a couple of rooms that we have not completed, but I'll show you that. So the floor that's going in is by Provenza Moda Living Collection, and it is finally mine. It is the luxury vinyl plank. It's the click one, so pretty much the installation is very similar to laminate, but we have chosen this floor because of we wanted to have the same floor all throughout the house, and it works well with water. So my front and my kitchen, my dogs are extremely slobbery when they drink, so I needed something to withstand the water, and I wasn't gonna put tile in my family room, and since I wanted all the same floor on the main floor, this was our best choice. I absolutely love the way it looks, and I can't wait once everything's done to really see how nice this floor is. So this is my front hallway, and we have completed living room, which is right here, and then all the way into the family room is done. And then over here, we still have to do the washroom and the mud room and the closet. So we'll probably finish this today. So I had also taken down the paneling. Well, some of it I'm struggling with it. This one, I just have to unscrew and take it down. I do have plans for this room. This was added. It wasn't in my originally when I talked to you about all the plans I was doing, I did not include the mudroom, but I have some plans which will be a video on its own as well. The one thing that's completed is the ceiling. I am replacing that light as well. This closet will no longer going to be my pantry, which was, if you've been watching this channel, it was my pantry. I'm going to make this a shoe closet because we have tons of shoes, and I find that this closet over here, it just doesn't work for shoes very well. So this is gonna be a coat closet and then a whole bunch of stuff up there. And now I'm going to show you the bathroom. And I also decided to paint all the interior doors. So this door, I have removed a door here. I will not be replacing that door, and the front door in black onyx by Benjamin Moore. So let's see, it's all yucky right now, but I just wanted to show you something. So we had installed a new countertop. This is quartz, but it has that concrete look. New sink and a faucet. I think I showed this last time when I was showing you all the things I bought. This is these two came from Amazon, and then I'm going to be putting black shiplap here. This is a really disgusting mirror, but I'm replacing the mirror. I'm going to be painting, spray painting the light fixture as well as the towel and the toilet paper rack. So this one's coming along pretty good. Oh, and I'm also going to replace the knobs. I did buy them, but I have no idea where they went. So then moving on, I'm not sure last time if I showed, but the stairs are done. Going downstairs, I have started with the banister here and upstairs and all the way going upstairs. They're gonna get the same look as the stairs going down to the basement. So I started working on that. That is turning out to be a process because it does take a while for the paint to cure. So we are saving all the cut off pieces for ends. So this is, I just stack them according to which way they're facing and what they are. So in this room, as I mentioned before, we're gonna do board and batten, and then I'm going to do shiplap above the fireplace to make it look more custom. So I think that's gonna look really good. I'm going to keep this light here. The dining room is still the same. That will be next, but obviously I have to move everything out for the floor. But for now, that's staying like it is. I'm hoping to get this room completed by the weekend. So the couch from the living room is here now. So this room is pretty much done. Obviously it's not gonna look like this. There's things in here that shouldn't be here, but pretty much done. It needs a trim, and I'm also replacing that light. And then I think the biggest change here is there's no more kitchen. I think last time when I showed this, there still was a kitchen here. So kitchen's removed. We had removed the backsplash, cut that out. That was a pretty big job. We had to replace all the drywall because you couldn't pull it off. We had installed, well, we actually had a plumber come and install a pot filler. So we're just making sure that doesn't leak before we close it up. We also have installed, my husband did, pot lights here. These are 4-inch pot lights. And then I'm going to have pendant lights here because this is where the island's going to go. And we also have, I'm not sure if I showed this, but we have pot lights here instead of the boob lights that were here. So this kitchen is almost ready to go. I've got electrical wires that aren't, the breaker is off, but they're for the valance lighting here. I'm going to have a pendant light go, it's a spotlight kind of going over there because I have floating shelves coming there. So that's it. There's a hole on the floor for the plumbing, and then this is the new plumbing. So we just covered it so the dogs don't hit themselves on the pipes coming up. And also, what else is here? So I've painted this. It is repose gray, just like everywhere else here. It's mindful gray in the living room and dining room. And just trying to make sure I say everything. Yeah, so kitchen cabinets pretty much will stop there, and they're gonna be all throughout, so that's why the paint is like that. We had to refix the wall, so that has to get some paint. I'm going to be placing a fall beam over here, so that's next. And I have talked to you, I think, about this wall. This is going to be black shiplap. So everything's coming together pretty good. I think I had covered everything so far. The kitchen's supposed to come the week after the July long weekend, so week of July 4th. And I can't wait. I am so tired. I think we've had we pushed the last 2-3 weeks really hard to get things done. After all of our illnesses in April, that set us back a little bit. So, but yeah, I think we should be done. We're hoping to get the trim putting up by the end of the weekend. So we'll see. And we can put the floor in here until the kitchen comes in, because with vinyl plank, you're not supposed to put the kitchen on top. It has to be butt up against it. Because of the weight of the kitchen, it can bow the vinyl plank, and if you glue it, which some flooring guys recommend, then the flooring company will not honor warranty. So it's best that you don't put the kitchen on top. So we're gonna do that. The plan is to do it. So the plan is to do it in between once they put the cabinets in and before the quartz countertops come in, because there's about 5 to 10 business days in between while they prepare the quartz countertops. So we're gonna do the floor for the rest of the kitchen then. And then once the countertop goes on, my husband's gonna be putting the backsplash so that way he can hang up the hood, because we went with the stainless steel hood instead of the wood hood that we had before. So I hope you had enjoyed this little informative or look into my renovation video. It's getting close. Like I said, we're feeling it right now. We're a little tired because we are doing a lot of it ourselves. But I think at the end, it's going to be so well worth it. So I hope you had enjoyed this video. If you are stopping by for the very first time and don't want to miss out all the other updates I'm going to be sharing, make sure you hit that subscribe button and a notification bell so you don't miss out those uploads. And don't forget to hit the like button if you guys have enjoyed this video. So until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you all so much for watching.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes.